Hi, good day to you. My name is Jason and I'm from Everyday Excel Business Lab. Now, today I'm going to show you how to do copy and paste. Am I referring to the normal copy and paste? There are different methods, but the very first one that most of us know is to go into here, click onto the cells that we want to copy, click onto the icon inside the Home tab here, click copy, go to the next cell here and we do a paste. That is the most common one that we know. Now, notice that my cursor travels from here to there, come back here, then go back there to do the paste. Takes time. Just a few seconds, but there is one action. Now, if you want to do copy and paste a bit faster, what you could do is you can click onto the cell you want to copy, press the Ctrl plus the C button, then use the cursor and just move down slightly to the next cell here, and you can do Ctrl plus V and you can paste it in. That would shorten the time for you to do copy and paste. Okay, now another method to do copy and paste is to do a right click, go to copy here, go to the next cell, right click, and you can do a paste. In fact, you can do different types of paste option here. Alright, so let's do a paste. Now, is there any faster method? There are. So the next one I'm going to show you is even a faster method, and that is to click onto the cell here, move your cursor to the point on the bottom right hand side of the cell, and from here you just need to click onto the left mouse cursor, drag down, and there you are. You can copy down many cells at one go. Now, what happens if you have a lot of cells? Alright, now let's say I go to another cell here and you need to copy. If you use this method, you will need to scroll down and then you have to wait and wait and wait and wait. Now, the longer is your list, the longer you take. Alright, now this is not the method I'm going to show you. Let me show you one final method to do copy and paste, and that is to do the same action here. Point your cursor at the bottom right hand corner, and all you need to do is to do a double click, and you will see that the list will be copied down straight away. No matter how long is the list, it's going to take you that 1 second. I hope you like my demo here. I'm from Everyday Excel Business Lab. Now, if you enjoy what you're seeing here, you can go down to the link and sign up for my newsletter, and I can share with you more tips along the way. Goodbye.